Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with new video. So in today's video I will be recreating my favorite social media influencers outfit. Basically I will see their photos and try to match it, not the photos but the outfit, because photos some of the photos are taken outside and also I can't go out to take those photos, and some of the backdrops I don't have, so I will just recreate their outfits. And if I could recreate the photo, then I will upload the photo, or else I will just put the photo of my outfit. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So guys, the first outfit which I am recreating is of Ashna Hegde. She is my favorite. Is like एकदम favorite बोलते हैं ना. She is my एकदम favorite, and I have a similar outfit of her, like ditto similar kind of, you can say I have. So for the top I'm wearing this my furry sweater. I will put the picture over here on the screen. This furry sweater and this dark blue jeans, and for the specs, I have my specs. I will wear that specs. So let's change. So this is the outfit, the same sweater, same material also, the blue dark blue wash jeans. She was wearing specs, hoops. I tried to match the lipstick also, thoda bahut similar hai. I don't have the similar one, so yeah, this is the outfit. I love this outfit so much, and when I saw that she also has the same, so I thought I should recreate this one. So I recreated this one outfit. I will try to take similar kind of photos. If I could take the similar photos, then I will put, or else I will put the normal photos only. So moving forward to the second outfit. So it's time for the second outfit. The second outfit is this one of Prajakta Kohli. She's my favorite. She's also my favorite. And for that she's wearing a black basic tan top and a blue washed denim. So let's get changed into the outfit and accessory. So guys, this is the outfit. She was wearing a black tan top and a blue washed denim. So yeah, I'm not wearing the shoes because I'm filming at home and the shoes are outside, so I'm not wearing shoes. And for jewelry, I'm wearing a gold chain. I didn't have the same gold chain, so I wore my only. It has a heart on it. And for earrings, golden hoops, because she was also wearing. So yeah, I will try to take a similar kind of a photo if I could. So yeah, this was the outfit. This was most comfortable one. I liked it. This was also similar to her outfit, only close enough. So yeah. So the third one is this one of Dhwani, but the only half photo is visible, so I will only match the outfit only half, because niche kya pehna hai I don't know. So I will match only the half outfit. So yeah, I have the similar kind of a top, yellow top and the denim jacket. So I will wear that and I will be back. So this is the outfit of Dhwani, but she was wearing a yellow top upon a denim jacket. So I also wore that, and hoop earrings and similar kind of a lip she was wearing. So yeah, this was the look of Dhwani, but I will try to take similar picture like her and I will post it on the screen somewhere over here. I will take the picture and I will post the picture over here somewhere. So yeah, so the next person is Ashi Khanna. She is also my favorite Dam Fam member. So I will recreate her look. This is her look which I am going to recreate. So stay tuned for that look. This is the look of Ashi which I have recreated. She was wearing orange color cami, but I didn't have orange, so I wore my black cami. And I did my hair like her. Like after so many days I have kept my fringes open, or else I clip them behind. the picture which I tried to make it similar as Ashi's. And she was wearing boots, so I also wore boots. I didn't have the similar necklace, so I kept my necklace same only. So yeah. So the next influencer which I am recreating is Unnati. This is her picture which I am recreating. I have a similar kind of a top, like blue net top, so I will wear that. So let's see. So she was wearing a mesh top, a net mesh top, so I also wore, and the neckline was like this, but I had a short sleeve one. She was wearing full sleeve one, but never mind. She was also wearing hoops. Every picture which I have selected, they are wearing hoops only. She had kept her hair open, middle partition, so I also kept my hair open in middle partition. I have tried to recreate the photo kind of similar, so here's the photo. So yeah, that was the photo. So the next person is, this video is incomplete without recreating her photo because she is my makeup inspiration, Brunel Panchal. So this is her photo which I am going to recreate. It's very easy. I have similar kind of a cami, and I will wear my same denim jacket. So yeah, catch you when I will change into her outfit. So this is the look of Brunu. She was wearing a new tan top, camisole, and a denim jacket, and infinity shaped pendant. This has an infinity as well. It's not visible, but it is in infinity shape. And she was wearing the safety pin earrings, but I didn't have, so I wore the hoops only. And her hair was middle partitioned and a ponytail was styled behind, so I did the same. I recreated the picture. Here's the picture. So here's the picture. Now moving forward, the last and my favorite. She was the first YouTuber which I started watching. I started watching YouTube because of her, and I decided to start my YouTube only because of her. So here's the picture of her. She's Sejal Kumar. Most of you guys may be knowing her. She's Sejal Kumar. I love her so much. So I also have a similar kind of a white crop top, but the middle design is not there, but I have a white crop top, so I will recreate that photo and show you guys. Whee! Oh, this is the look of Sejal Kumar. She was wearing a white crop top, so I'm also wearing a white crop top, full sleeve, but I didn't have the same detailing like here she had, so I didn't have that. And her hair was open and middle partition. I recreated her picture. This is the picture, kind of similar because lighting was not good outside, so I couldn't get the similar kind of photos, but I tried to. So yeah, so this was it for my today's video. So hope you guys like it. Give it a big fat thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel below, and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And stay tuned for my another contents which are coming ahead, and follow me on my Instagram if you haven't already followed me there. I make some good makeup videos over there, so do follow me there also. So yeah, bye bye, see you in my next video. Stay tuned.